Lured by fake jobs, trapped in cybercrime, the 2,500-kilometer chase that exposed a trafficking nightmare. Promises of jobs abroad, but at what cost? A dangerous human trafficking operation exploiting vulnerable young Indian man has come to light. Kamran Haider, alias JD, the mastermind behind a racket that lured Indians with fake job offers abroad and forced them into cybercrime, has been arrested after a dramatic 2,500-kilometer chase by the Delhi police. ZD's operation targeted unsuspecting individuals with promises of lucrative jobs in Southeast Asia. Once abroad, victims were trapped off their passports and forced to work for Chinese companies involved in large-scale online scams. The arrest marks a major breakthrough in a case that has shaken many families across India. Caught after a relentless 2,500-kilometer pursuit, Zaidi, who carried a 2 lakh rupees bounty on his head, led authorities on a wild chase across multiple states. The Delhi police, using a mix of manual inputs and advanced surveillance, finally tracked him to Hyderabad. According to Deputy Commissioner of Police Manoj C, the team pursued Zaidi tirelessly for days without rest. He was caught near Nampally railway station while attempting to flee to another hideout. The horrors of the Golden Triangle. Zaidi and his network trafficked young Indian men to the Golden Triangle region where Thailand, Laos and Myanmar meet. This region is notorious for illegal activities. Victims were coerced into working for Chinese companies that ran fake call centers targeting Indians, Europeans and Americans. Upon arrival, victims' passports were confiscated, leaving them powerless to escape. They were made to scam people online, often working under deplorable conditions. Those who resisted or tried to flee were threatened and extorted through cryptocurrency payments. The victim who blew the whistle. The entire operation unraveled when a man named Naresh Lakhwat filed a complaint in Delhi. Naresh, in search of a job, had approached a consultancy firm called Ali International Service. They offered him work in Thailand, Laos. However, upon reaching Thailand, his passport was taken and he was forced to work for a Chinese company involved in online scams. His courage to speak up exposed a web of human trafficking and cybercrime. A network of exploiters. The investigation, later transformed to the National Investigating Agency, uncovered the key players in this horrifying racket. Kamran Haider alias Zaidi, the leader, Mansoor Alam alias Guddu, Sahil Ashish alias Akhil, Pawan Yadav alias Afzal. The traffickers preyed on people's desperation using fake consultancies to trick them. Once trafficked, victims faced harsh conditions and were treated inhumanly. Can this be prevented? Zaidi's arrest is a significant milestone, but the case raises pressing questions. How can job seekers avoid falling into such trap? What safeguards can authorities implement to prevent such crimes? Will the victims get justice and rehabilitation?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.